Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom packaging inserts in Printify. Packaging inserts are a simple way to thank customers, share care instructions, or include a promo that encourages repeat orders. I'll walk you through the exact path in your account and share tips to make your insert look polished and on brand. Start on your Printify dashboard. If you manage multiple shops, first make sure you've selected the correct store so the changes apply where you expect. Open the store view and choose the storefront you want to brand, then go to Manage My Stores to access the options for that specific shop. From there, open Settings to adjust store-level preferences. Inside Settings, head to the Branding section. This is where Printify centralizes brand elements and gift messaging. Look for the option to set up package inserts and open it. That takes you to the insert area where you'll create or upload your design. When you're ready to build, click Start Designing. On the design page, choose Upload to bring in your artwork. Select Computer, browse to your file, and click Open to add it to the canvas. For best results, use a clean, high-resolution image so text and logos stay sharp when printed. Now edit your design in the editor. Resize and reposition your graphics so important content sits comfortably within the safe area and won't be clipped at the edges. Keep contrast strong for readability, avoid overly thin fonts, and ensure any small print remains legible. PNG files are great if you need transparency. JPGs work for full images. Use alignment tools to center elements and maintain consistent spacing. Naming your file clearly helps with versioning if you iterate later. Take a moment to proofread. Check that your message is concise, your tone matches your brand, and any URL or QR code is accurate and easy to scan. Balance visuals and white space so the insert feels welcoming, not crowded. If you're highlighting a discount, make it prominent but not overpowering your logo. A simple hierarchy, logo, headline, supporting text, usually works best. When everything looks right, click Save Product to finalize your insert. Your custom design is now saved in the branding area and will be ready to accompany eligible orders, giving customers a more memorable unboxing experience and a clear next step back to your store. And that's it. You navigated from the dashboard to your store settings, opened branding, set up package inserts, uploaded your design from your computer, refined it in the editor, and saved it. Thanks for watching, and happy branding.